Little ghost, you're
Lydia.
listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth.
I love you.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but together we can make something beautiful. So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make 3 hours meant for you and you for me. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wings to be
I'm sorry.
tame. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
Hey, Lydia, what's wrong? What's wrong?
You're gonna think I'm crazy. I love you.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
That doesn't hurt.
My wounded wings to be tamed.
I'm sorry.
You've always loved the stranger
Lydia, sweetheart.
inside.
What did you do?
Me, ugly pretty.